hello. What is going on? This is the good stuff right here. Yeah, now I'm ready. What's going on, guys? My name is Triston. I do HackerRank challenges. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and follow along. Watch the video. We're about to get into some good stuff. So let's get right into it. Alright, so it looks like the next challenge is mini-max sum. Let's go to that and see what happens. Let's see, alright, mini-max sum. Given 5 positive integers, find the minimum and maximum values that can be calculated by summing exactly 4 of the 5 integers. Then print the respective minimum and maximum values as a single line of 2 space-separated long integers. For example, r equals 13579. Our minimum sum is 1357 equals 16. And our maximum sum is 3579, which equals 24. We would print, our maximum sum is 3579, which is 24. We would print 16 and 24. So we would print the sums of the okay, makes sense. Complete the mini-max sum function. So given 5 positive integers, find the maximum minimum values that can be calculated by summing exactly 4 of the 5. So I'm only summing 4. So this is easy. So just right off the bat, the first thing that I'm thinking of is I have a sorted array. If it's not sorted, then I sort it. I get the index value 0 to 3, and then I get the index value 1 to 4. And that should be my min and max right there, I believe. Complete the mini-max sum function in the editor below. It should print 2 space-separated integers. Yeah, we already read that. An array of 5 integers, a single line of 5 space-separated integers. Print 2 space-separated long integers denoting the respective minimum and maximum values that can be calculated by summing exactly 4 of the 5 integers. The output can be greater than a 32-bit integer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. So this is 4, 7, 9, 10. And then so on. Our initial numbers are blah blah blah. I think we get the idea. I don't think we got to go that deep into it. Let's see. Complete the minimax function below. Alright, so we have an array. We know what's going to be in the array, so we're going to loop through the array. So let me get a sip of my coffee. How do I want to structure this? I can say let min max equal. Oh, actually, has to be like this. I was thinking Python. I was putting the let and then thinking Python. Let min equals 0, max equals 0. Now we want to say r dot for each. I could just say num, and then. Actually, I know what I want to do. Alright, so we're just going to have a conditional inside this loop. I'm just going to check if, so we want num, and then we want to get the index value, because if you see here, the first in the callback is value, the second in the callback is the index. Alright, and I want to Alright, so I want to check if I is greater than 0, and then I want to check if I is less than r.length minus 1. Like that. Okay, no. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to check if I is 0, because it's always going to be 5, so I don't need to check for one instance I don't need to check the last number, and then for the other instance I don't need to check the first number. So I'm just going to say if it is 0, then don't count it for the max, but do count it for the min. Otherwise, count it for both of them, and then add it to both the min and the max. And if I is the last index, then only add it to the max and don't add it to the min. I think that'd be a little better. So let's do that. So this is what it's going to look like. Actually, I'll just code it. Let's see. So if I is equal to 0, then we're not doing max. So we would say min plus equals num, else if I is equal to r.length minus 1. Then we want to say max plus equals num, else min plus equals num, and max plus equals num. And then now we can return an array of min, max. Let's see what that does. No response on std out. Is it wanting me to just print? Print 2 space separated integers, long integers. Oh, okay. Oh, well, that's what I was supposed to do. I was supposed to just say console.log min max, just like that. And it said space separated, so I'm wondering if I have to put a space in there. I think that'll do it. Yeah, that does it. Alright, cool. This first one failed though. 299. It's I got 9266, but it's supposed to be 9271. Interesting, interesting. Why would that be the case? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one passed. What's in this one? Because it's only 2. Alright, so let's break it down. So 7, 69, 2, 21, yada yada. So if I equals 0, oh, okay, I see what happened. It's not sorted, that's why. That's what we were talking about at the beginning. R equals r dot sort, I think. I don't remember what the sort method is. Yeah, there we go. Nice. That's what it was. The array wasn't sorted, so I had to make sure the array was sorted first. It works and it passed, so let's submit the code and see what happens. Yeah, we succeeded. Well, that's the end of that. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to come back tomorrow, because I'll be uploading one tomorrow. Alright. Yeah, so that's it. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you're taking it easy. Bye.